Hi there, students. Topophilia. Topophilia. Okay, topophilia literally is the love of place. Topophilia is that a space, a volume of space, becomes a real place when you attach personal meaning to it. So topophilia is you love a certain place, but why do you love this place? Because you attach certain memories or certain ideas to it. And this is the idea of topophilia. It means that you have a love for a particular place because you've got feeling with it. There's a bond of affection. There's a bond of love for that place because it feels good. So, yeah, I remember the place where my grandmother used to live when I was a kid. So yeah, I guess I feel topophilia for Baron's Mead. Okay, so it's because I associate other things with it. So topophilia is the love, the emotional connection with a place, with the environment. I think topophilia is something that happens very often in sports. For example, there are various famous sports grounds which are tourist attractions. People pay to go on a tour of the various sports grounds. When there are no matches happening, there's nothing. So, for example, I know in Madrid, people pay to go and see Bernabeu, which is where Real Madrid play. I think the tour costs €20 or something like that. That's clearly a case of topophilia. Or a sports ground can also be attached to euphoric moments. This is the sports ground where we won the World Cup, or where there was a tragic incident. Yeah, and this is another reason for topophilia for a sports ground. You love it because this is a place where events have occurred. I think also you could feel topophilia for the architecture, for the beauty of the architecture, or the beauty of the place as well. There's something that you feel inside you about it. So topophilia, it's a strong sense of place, but this is linked with a sense of cultural identity as well. So what I feel towards the house where I grew up, or that area, could be described as topophilia. Yeah, because I love the place. But why do I love the place? Because of the memories I associate with it. And that's the idea. It's the emotional connection with the place, with the physical environment. That you think this place is wonderful because it's a place that holds memories or emotions or feelings. Yeah, this is the place where she first kissed me, or this is the and you're attaching personal meanings to it, and this is topophilia because you love it because you love, or you remember clearly what happened here, things that happened, and that's where this idea of topophilia comes from. Let's see. Formality, topophilia. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. Use it. Semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal or formal writing, definitely. This phrase was first used by W.H. Auden, who was an American poet. I think he was writing about the works of John Betjeman. And there have been, I think that there's been various essays and other things entitled Topophilia that have come afterwards. So, origin. Topos, Greek for place, philia, love of. So love of place, topos, philia. Yeah, phileo, to love. So love of a place. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Topophilia.